first step.
And it's Midori's Tanjobi. Tanjobi, omedetou gozaimasu, Midori. Init sa stage.
Ngayon na ba, Mido?
Ngayon na ba, Mido?
Kantahan ka ba namin? Okay. Birthday.
Atin ang kantahan si Midori. Midori, we would like to invite you here up on stage. Let's go! Lega!
Kaya ako stage. Rashid. Ate Midono.
Anong Sailor Moon ba yan?
Sailor Moon!
Parang ang tangkad mo ngayon. Natangkaran mo ako ngayon na.
Sailor
Dinala ang sapatos mo. Ilang inches ba yan? 34? 34 inches ba yan? Alanay. Alanay. Alright everybody, on behalf of Misty and the Black Page Band, I'd like to wish you a happy birthday, Midori-chan! Happy birthday to you. Clap your hands everybody. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Sasaya ka, sasayaw ka. Ay, bilisan natin konti. Ha! Happy birthday to you. Sayaw ka, kadun-kadun mo. Happy birthday to you. Let's go! Happy birthday, happy birthday. Bilisan mo natin isa pa. Bilisan mo natin. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Hi, Midori. Happy birthday. Speech. Huwag iiyak ka. Baka maiyak ka pa.
Speech dante.
Yung pang speech, yung pang maalala mo kaya. Hinihingal na agad. Birthday pala, hindi pala patay ito. Birthday. Ang hina naman. Kinakabahan? Alright! Happy birthday, Midori! Midori-chan! Happy birthday, Midori, on behalf of Rampage and Misty too. Happy birthday once again.
Birthday!
Happy birthday! Yun. At dahil birthday mo, baka may request kami doon.